Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on an Infiniti QX60. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. Always ensure your car is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, being careful not to scratch the glass. This initial step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire blade assembly off the hook. It might require a little wiggle. Remember to hold the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally spring back and hit your windshield, which could cause damage. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, for all your reading needs, whether it's car manuals or your favorite novel, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade on until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both blades are attached, gently lower the wiper arms back down onto the windshield. After installation, it's essential to test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they move across the glass. They should operate smoothly, without streaking or chattering. This quick test confirms proper installation and ensures clear visibility for safe driving in all weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.